What if I tell you that your favorite YouTuber can be replaced by ChatGPT? No thinking, no creativity, no late night overthinking for titles. For the next 7 days, I completely handed over my YouTube channel to ChatGPT. ChatGPT decided the video idea, title, description, tags, thumbnail, and also posting time. Everything for this video that you are watching. And trust me, I don't know what will be the results. Let's find out. Is ChatGPT smarter than a YouTuber with 1 plus year of experience? Let's find out. So here's the challenge. The rules are simple now. I will not interfere. ChatGPT will make all decisions. I will only upload and observe. The experiment duration is 7 days. Basically, I became an ChatGPT's employee without salary. If this works, I might lose my job. For the day 1, I let ChatGPT chooses the video idea. First task is video idea. Normally, I spent 1 to 2 hours for thinking that what should I upload? Will this get views? Is this topic saturated? But today, I give a prompt like this. I own a YouTube channel that based on digital marketing and AI more than a year. So I want you to give some extraordinary video ideas about experimenting AI technologies with a fun and entertaining way. These video ideas should be trending and viral, and it should give lots of views on YouTube. And boom! See, ChatGPT gave me a solid trending click-worthy idea in seconds. So I am choosing the first idea. At this point, I was like, bro, at least struggle a little. For the day 2, I let ChatGPT write title, description and tags. Now comes the most painful part for every YouTuber. That is title. You write 10 titles, delete 9, still not satisfied. But ChatGPT, of course, 10 viral titles, SEO optimized and curiosity driven. But I choose the title as same as the first idea. That is, I let AI run my YouTube channel for 7 days. The shocking results. But I will make some title changes and come up with title as I let ChatGPT run my YouTube channel for 7 days. By the way, you already see this right now. Honestly, I would click this myself. Then for description and tags, I gave prompt like this. Don't worry, the prompt are in the description for this video, so you can check out later. ChatGPT wrote everything so cleanly that I felt personally attacked. For day 3, I let ChatGPT design the thumbnail. Now this is where I thought ChatGPT will fail, because thumbnail is emotion, psychology, human brain, etc. I asked ChatGPT to design a YouTube thumbnail, and when I saw the result, I had only one reaction. Why is this actually good? You see, it has proper fonts, bold text, scary robot selections, proper context. It followed thumbnails rules better than most human. For day 4, I let ChatGPT decides posting time. Next step is posting time. Normally we guess 8 pm, 9 pm. Bro, let's put Sunday. But ChatGPT checked audience data, Indian time zone, engagement patterns and selected a very specific time, 8:17 pm on Sunday. It was like it also has the logic of 17 minutes. Now the most important part, results. I honestly expecting good results. Let's see it performs better or not on the YouTube. You probably seen the results right now. So comment down whether this video performs better or not. I am eagerly waiting for your comment. Now listen carefully. AI is powerful, but AI cannot understand emotions like human, share personal struggles, build real trust, tell authentic stories, etc. AI is a tool, not a replacement. The smartest creator will not fight AI. They will use AI. So the real question is not will AI replace YouTubers. The real question is Will AI powered creators replace normal creators? If you want more real AI experiments like this video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you next episode. So peace out.